How to convert your Outlook email to PDF. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to convert your Outlook email into a PDF file. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, go ahead and open up your web browser or your app, and then go to the search bar, search for Outlook Mail. Once you've done that, hit enter. Once you go to Outlook Mail, just make sure to log into your account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. So what I can do now is next find the email that you want to save as a PDF. So I'll just go on with the first one right here from Skype. So from here, what I can do is click on the three dots right here. And then as you can see here, if I just click on the download option, there is no option to download it as a PDF. So instead, you're going to have to do a workaround that. You can do that by clicking on here and then going over to print. Or you can just press Ctrl+P on your keyboard and it will open the print option. Now all you have to do is adjust your settings here. Even if you don't have a printer, it will work. So click on print and it's going to ask you to save the document. So I'll just click on the desktop and just type in this as Outlook Mail. Make sure that you save the document type as PDF. Well, there are no other options, so it's the only choice we have. Then click on save. And now your document will be saved on your desktop right here. So if I just open this up, the email now has been saved as a PDF. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.